it's going to work for you. It's super cool. So let's get right into the tutorial.
Hello there, crew. So if you like Subway Surfers, I'm going to show you the Subway Surfers modded game. So as you can see, guys, we're broke, but mod menu time, you can turn on unlimited coins and unlimited keys. So I just enabled that. So let's see if our Subway Surfers starts rising on the game. So as you can see, guys, these are our current amounts. It's really poor, but hopefully we can value some rising. So let's see what happens. And then, oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you how to download this Subway Surfers hack for iOS and Android. It's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into the video. So it's really easy to download. Just go to matrixmods.com. So on this site, find Subway Surfers, and this is the mod right here. So go ahead and press download, and then before it downloads, there is verification. So this is the last step. What you gotta do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. This is 100% free, guys, from official app store. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files, almost there. So basically what I gotta do is download 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 11, it's a game, so I could do that. Or I could do like DraftKings Casino, Travel Town. So yeah, just make sure you do 2 of them, guys, and then you will get the Subway Surfers mod onto your phone. So it's really awesome if you are a Subway Surfers fan. Maybe you're tired of being broke. Well, now you can enable unlimited coins and unlimited keys in 2025. So that is really awesome. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to have a Subway Surfers mod right now.